The Quran Tracker template made in Google Sheets is designed to help you stay organized and motivated in your Quran journey.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Benefits of the tracker in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is user-friendly and easy-to-use cloud-based storage. Tracker can be accessed from any device. Drop-down menus make it easy to input and view information. The tracker is dynamic. Graph provides visual representation of your progress. Mark progress with checkboxes. Follow the link below to purchase the Quran Tracker. You can instantly download the PDF file, which has the link to the Google Sheets template. When you click on the link, Google Sheet will ask you to log into your Google account and make a copy of the template. Rename the file. Create a separate file for each person. The Quran Tracker is very easy and simple to use. This is the date column, which has an interactive calendar. Double-click in the box and select your date from the calendar. Use the arrows to select months, year, date. Next column is for selecting the juz. Click on arrow in box and click on the juz number. Next, select the surah from the drop-down menu. When you select the surah name, the surah number will automatically look up from the list. Type, start, ayat, nom and end, ayat no. The next column will automatically calculate the number of ayats you have read. When you tick the checkbox, color changes to give a visual on what is completed. As you complete a surah, click on the checkbox. This will highlight the text, giving a visual reference of your progress. At the same time, you will see the progress bar in the pie graph change as well. Seeing progress visually and setting goals within the tracker can boost motivation. This column has the list of all surahs in order with checkboxes. Click on the heading. This is a link to Quran Central, a non-profit organization streaming millions of audio per month absolutely free. The link will take you to the audio recordings where you will find 588 reciters free for personal use.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
You can print the template Print All Pages or select the cells you want to print and click on Print Selection. Explore our website to discover a variety of templates, including the Ramadan Planner, Daily Deen Tracker, and printable du'as. Let me know in the comments below what other planners you would like. Thank you.